Hey guys! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your Instagram username. So let's get into it. First of all, open your Instagram app. Tap your avatar icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Tap Edit Profile under your bio. Tap the username field and type in your new handle. Tap the blue checkmark in the upper right corner. If your account reaches a lot of people, your username change may need to be reviewed. If so, you will be notified when Instagram completed a review. If not, your username will change immediately if available. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.